Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to walk through how to reserve one or more items in Shopify. From the Shopify dashboard, click Orders in the left-hand navigation, and then click the Create Order button. Start by assigning your order to a customer. Either select an existing customer from the drop-down or create a new customer for this order. After assigning the order to a customer, click the Search Products bar and add any number of items that you intend to reserve. After adding one or more products, a Reserve Items link will appear. Click the link to reserve these items for your customer. When the modal appears, enter a date and time at which the reservation will be automatically canceled. Make sure this information is clearly communicated to your customer to avoid a negative shopping experience. After entering your chosen date and time, click the Done button at the bottom right-hand corner of the modal. Finally, click the Save button that appears in the bar along the top of the screen. With the order saved, your chosen items will be removed from your inventory until the reservation is canceled. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you now know how to reserve items for a customer in Shopify.